How do I calibrate my Viking oven model hash? It is 50 degrees off.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is I look forward to helping you. If you are certain it is that far off, the sensor will probably need to be replaced. That circuit is totally electronic and works by the oven sensor changing resistance with temperature. The control then sees the resistance signal it is getting from the sensor and is programmed to relate that resistance to temperature. The instructions for replacing the sensor are below. Please let me know if you have any questions.
That's not what I asked. I asked how to calibrate. I would like to try calibration prior to replacement. Could you please tell me how to calibrate? Can't find calibration screw. Thanks, Tilda.
There is no calibration screw as that control system is entirely electronic. It is basically a variable resistor, like a volume knob, that tells the control at what resistance, which is then related to temperature, you would like the oven to be. The control then looks for that resistance from the oven sensor. It is not one like the old styles that you can adjust the screw.
Thank you. So, are you saying that once the temp reads incorrectly, then one must simply just replace the sensor?
Yes, that is correct. Sometimes, you can use steel wool or sandpaper to clean it as cooking byproducts can build up and create an insulator on it, making it less accurate. It is worth trying that first. I would make sure you are using a high-quality thermometer and allowing at least 30 minutes preheat time before replacing the sensor, though.
Thanks so much. The technician explained that he was looking for the calibration screw. Guess he needs to update his files on Viking. Prior to his arrival, I asked if he were an authorized Viking repair person. He said yes. P. S. Just got a note from JustAnswer that indicates that they are sorry that I am not satisfied. I gave you an excellent rating. Go figure. Thanks for your help.
It does not show that you have rated yet, that is odd. If you'd like, I can send you the complete service manual for that range.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.